In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to access CasaOS remotely. So let's just begin. You can see we have the complete process here. I got these notes. So first of all, you're going to be simply installing the CasaOS. Let's assume that you have that already. To access it, the web interface that you can use to simply remotely access it, you're going to be heading over to this browser IP. And you can see a welcome screen there. You need to create your account. Then you need an application for the remote process. You can do it from mobile as well in the App Store. And once you do, you can see we need these applications to simply access it. Once we have that, we can easily use these to operate CasaOS remotely. So that's the quickest way that I can explain you. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more. See you in the next video.